Hey guys, now you can play it, but I need to verify it because I have an account already. So then let me start over. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the practice mode because very hard. Like the hardest thing. Boop and yup. Oh frick! Dang it. Hold on. I got to fix something that is ruining my buffing session. Like that. Alright. Now, there we go. Now it's good. Let me get to the part. Wait, why is my character like that? Don't worry guys, I'm gonna obtain all my icons after this, okay? Just don't worry about that. There we go. That's what original icon looks like. I have no proof. So, okay. Let's just start it. Yep. Oh my god. New this. Right. We go to practice mode. my god. I'm never gonna beat this. Well, I'm just gonna not get coin. But I am gonna get coin. I don't think that's possible right there. That's where to fix something. Let that just replace it. I'm gonna make a fixed bike. Need this. Hold on. Okay.
Nag-hallucinate siya. Yung hawak ko, akala nga yan magaling, kahit hindi naman. Mas meron din siya memory lapses. Ano, kahit hindi mo lang maalala si Harry. At physically, pabayaan niyo yung sarili niya, Dok. Alam ko matagal na siya nagtago sa batas, pero ngayon ko na siya nakita ganun kagawin. Naaman na ako kay Harry eh. Tapos nangyari pa kay Harry yung paggabi.
Siguro pinagkalaman si Harry. Pero still, ingat pa rin ito, ha? Injured pa rin itong knight in shining armor mo.
Ay naku, Dok. Hindi ka na nga makatayo, knight in shining armor pa. Saka, excuse me, oh. Dami naman akong ibang knight in shining armor dyan. At higit sa lahat, hindi ko kayo kailangan. Kaya ko sa sarili ko.
Pero ako paborito mo, diba?
Hindi din. Kaya ko wala kayo.
Candice. Pinapagalan mo sa inyo. Hindi porket nawala na si Mamoyla. Patay na siya, eh. Safe ka na. Okay?
Okay. Dislike.
Come in. Good morning.
Dr. Sifra? Ikaw yung nagpunta sa wake mo, ma'am.
Okay. Of course I died here. No, the freaking coin. this is actually painful. Oh my god, I only have 5%. That's not good. Okay, oh frick. Ooh, no. Okay, yep. Oh my god. Okay, bro. I'm gonna end this. Bro, guys, bye.